How to post videos on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the album icon you see there on top of your screen beside the What's on Your Mind option. You will then be prompted to select the photo or video that you want to post on Facebook. So go ahead and select the pictures or the videos that you want to post and tap on Next. Further, make any required changes such as adding the caption or tagging people or making your check-ins. Next, tap on the next option you see there on top right of your screen and you will be required to select your post audience. You can also schedule posts if you want, or you can also add collaborators and make any other necessary changes as such. Once done, tap on the post option you see there on the top right of your screen, and with this, your post will be made. So this is how you can post videos on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.